Morning traders, and this is your Dax daily review. So the daily bar has given us a little bit of a piercing pattern, sort of a gap down and a close above the close of the previous day. Not really a decent piercing pattern. You'd expect it to be at least 50% to the height of the previous bar. So at this stage, the jury's out as to what's actually going on here. There's so many things happening. I mean, we do have some continuation divergence between this low and this low on the daily. You can see there, and lower low there. Okay, we are, if you look at the awesome oscillator, we are bullish, but we are below the alligator on the daily, and the alligator is pointing to the downside now. The other thing is that this double top here, we've broken below the level. Okay, so I'm still looking for shorts. We didn't really get an opportunity yesterday, but I'm still looking for short entries. So let's just go to the 4 hour. Okay, and again, we broke through the alligator, came back, we've tested the alligator, we ran away. So that was the second move. There was our first downward move, consolidation, second move. And the question is whether we are consolidating now, and that is my opinion anyway. We're coming back to test this breakout of the 200 EMA, which is also a level. We missed it with this bar. So I'm expecting us to come back and test this area, and then another move to the downside. Okay, so if we look at the 1 hour, we'll see yesterday was pretty much a nothing day. So it is a little bit of a wedge. Okay, so a little bit of a wedge, which we've broken out, which then does give us a measured move. And let's just have a look to the left to see. Nothing really there, but there is a lot of congestion between these two levels I've just put in. So that's the area that I'm looking for shorts. And if you look at the hour, have a look here. Get rid of that. Let's just get rid of that. That's going to confuse us. Okay, so if you look at the hour, look at the oscillator here. Grip to the upside. Okay, and we have not much on the line of diversions here, but it is looking a little bit sad, and we are below the alligator. Okay, so, and we're below the zero line on awesome oscillator. So I'm looking for shorts, and I'm looking for a short of 11,410 or alternatively 11,458. So somewhere in that zone I'm looking for a short, and obviously the stop, you can run a 50-point stop, or alternatively what you want to do, that's a bit high. So you'd ideally want to be above the previous high, but I don't see that as an opportunity. Okay, so price action here, and then a pretty tight stop, sort of a 40-point stop loss, and take it from there. But yesterday was very much, you can see, a day of confusion. We rallied a bit and then just went sideways all day. Okay, don't be surprised if we carry on going sideways, but for me at this stage, I'm looking, these are the two areas I'm looking at for a short entry. If you look at the awesome oscillator on the half hour, you can see how flat has gone, close to zero momentum, nothing really happening. Okay, so you could probably get a long scalp up into this area, but this is definitely areas that I'd be taking profit, and then look for a reversal. Okay, so yeah, I think my view still stands. It's going to have to get above 11,625 for me to even start considering looking for longs again. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. And last thing I just want to close off is on the weekly. Just get rid of the noise. You see we've had this massive engulfing candle here on the weekly off the weekly 200 EMA. But if you look at the alligator here, we are back in the alligator sleeping, bit of indecision. We're on the zero here. So we kind of poised for a breakout either way. So this could be a retest of the 200 EMA and then move up. I'm of the opinion that we're going to get another move down. The other thing that we do have here on the weekly is we have a weekly trend line that is broken. And if you do that, you will see that a retest of this trend line is pretty much what we're looking for. Okay, come down to the half hour and ignore this for now, but we're looking for 11.414 or 11.454. That one's correct. I just want to double check the bottom level. Bottom level is also correct. Okay, so those are the two areas on the weekly. Those are two weekly levels. It's also a breakout of that trend line retest. So that's why I'm saying this is a fairly strong area to be short. Okay, there we go. That's my view for today. Looking for shorts, just waiting for price to get a little bit higher before we start shorting. Hope that helps. Keep those stops tight, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.